Welcome back to another episode of Relations, a podcast where we focus on trying to provide you with as much information that can be helpful in your life, whether that's health related, sex, food, fitness, travel,
All of it.
relationships, all of it, all the stuff that we enjoy, all the stuff we hope you enjoy.
And
We're
things that we can share
super,
with you
yeah.
so we can all do it together.
Yeah, and we're super excited because, again, if you have joined us already on our previous video, you know we're diving into a book that we are very passionate about,
Yeah.
something we both read, and has been very key to just understanding more about my
Men's
own
health.
biological journey, my own men's health journey, and how I can better help my patients. And so I think it would be a great recommendation to help you. And we are going to be talking about a new chapter, as I
Oh.
mentioned, and this one is called Come and Get It.
I don't even know what could that mean.
Ejaculation and orgasm
Oh,
is
the
going to
fun
be the
stuff.
topic.
The
Yeah,
fun part.
it's going to be the fun part, which I
Yeah.
mean, really, this book is full of all different types of
Uh,
fun parts.
Well, true, but I feel like the last episode, last chapter, we talked a lot about, the characteristics and the parts of our penis
Yep.
and the glands
Mhm.
and
Building an
what,
erection.
yeah, all of those things. But we are now getting to,
The juicy part.
yeah, literally.
So we think, if we remember from our last chapter, not only is the brain extremely important,
Which is the big head.
is the big head, we also need the little head, depending on how you refer to your own member, to be involved. And they actually connect in our spine, believe it or not.
Through what?
So there's an area called the spinal ejaculation center, and this is in our lower spine, and it's where basically the chemical and nervous signals come from both the brain and from the genitals to communicate with one another and say, hey,
Wow.
it's time for liftoff and it's time for ejaculation. Very similarly to how an erection occurs, but an ejaculation requires many different chemical signals going both ways to that ejaculation center in the spine.
And that's all happening very fast, I assume.
It's all happening extremely fast. And what it starts by saying is, of course, the first sequence is going to be found sensory wise. So the sensations of the genitalia, of the rest of our body, picking up those cues and putting in the initial combination. And so it's going to be taste, it's going to be smell, it's
Wow.
going to be vibration, it's going to be auditory. So the breathing, the faint voice.